Hi everyone, so Leon here. So behind me you see a lot of different kind of, a very interesting kind of orchid. They look like a big bush, with the little roots sticking out everywhere. And sadly these orchids are not flowering. I mean there's like a couple of flowers around, but it's really not flowering. If you didn't know, this is actually called Vanda Miss Joachim variant B, which is our Singapore's national flower. So the sad truth is that, from what I understand, is that our flowers the national flower doesn't really flower during National Day, okay? Unless they will try to do something, to induce it to flower. So this is actually one of the flowers you see. Okay, this is the Vanda Miss Joachim. This is our national flower. All right. So here I am at Two Orchids. Yeah, they're growing a lot of the Vanda Miss Joachim here. Now, many people do not know this. Apparently for orchids, right, if you don't know whether the orchid is healthy, it's not by looking at the leaves, see how perfect the leaves are. When an orchid is healthy, you see the roots, doesn't matter, even dendrobiums are like that. But this one is actually the Vanda Miss Joachim, the national flower. But you can see this green tip here. So the longer the green tip means the healthier the plant is. That's how you know whether the orchid is healthy or not.